to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Hi guys, and welcome to a special episode of Nevada TV. And welcome! You can probably tell what I'm going to be doing today. I've got a school project to make a cake. We're going to use the chocolate fingers to make a little wall. M&Ms, we're going to put them in the chocolate fingers. We're going to leave a little gap, put Hulk on there, pretend that he's doing Hulk smash, and then all of the other ingredients are just to make it nice.
What flavour are we going for?
Chocolate. Chocolate.
Why are we going for chocolate?
Because it's my favourite flavour. Let's make a cake. Hulk smash. First thing, we have to preheat the oven to 190 so that it's nice and hot and the cake will bake. Now we have to butter the base and the sides of the cooking things. That was yucky, but we got it done. Pizza break! For anyone who wants to follow along, all the ingredients and directions and description below. So next we're going to mix everything together in a big bowl. We need self-raising flour, golden sugar, cocoa powder, 4 big eggs, vanilla extracts, and some baking powder. Bang all in that bowl. Oh, and butter too. Rocco, I need the bowl. I've got 200 grams of golden sugar. I'm going to bang it in the bowl. Don't dip it all in sugar. I got 200 grams of flour. This is 200 grams of unsalted butter. I'm going to bang it straight in.
You missed a bit.
Bang! What? Bang, bang. Boys.
Use your fingers.
Why? Got 2 tablespoons of table powder. Got 2 chocolate of table powder. Got 2 tablespoons of chocolate powder.
2 tablespoons of chocolate powder.
Yeah.
Bang them in.
Bang on me, bang on me, bang, 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 bang. Oh no! That's it.
I mean, stop it.
Gonna chuck in some baking powder. I'm gonna bang in some baking powder. Woo! Ah! We put some vanilla in it as well. It was really nice. I wanted to try some, but that wouldn't let me. I'm going to put in 1 tablespoon of milk. Ooh. got 4 big eggs. I'm gonna bang them in.
Go on then.
What? Now we just gotta mix it all up. Another pizza break! Yes. Finished. Maybe the most important step of the whole video. Gotta taste it better. Now I've got to put the mix in the tins. Then bang in the oven. Safely put the tins in the oven.
Yeah.
Wait.
What are you doing?
Spoon licking, and then I'm scooping it in the box. I'm here with half of our cake, the other half's cooling down. Pulls out the box, and I've got ice ready to smash the cake. You've still got to put the icing on the second half on, and then decorate it. So let's see how this goes. We've got icing on the top of this half, and now we're going to put the second half on and get the icing. Yes, do it! Second half's on. Chocolate icing time. Next stage complete. We've decorated it with chocolate fingers. Then we're going to fill the middle with M&Ms. You got 4 packs of them. So you should have enough. The cake's now finished. First it started as a correct chocolate cake. And then we put chocolate fingers around it. But before we did that, we put one on top. And then we put all of the chocolate fingers for like a game. Then folded some M&Ms. And then he tipped them all in. Right. And then wandered around the house. He brought some chocolate, like thingies. He stuck them in the cake, and then he said, "Wow, that's perfect." And we've not tried a bit yet. If you like the look of the cake, please subscribe. I'm 1 subscriber away from 30, and I really want to hit it. Also, like the video. The instructions how to make this cake are in the description, and I've had so much fun making it. Me too! See you next week!